Presenting the Tesla 2016 Model X P100D. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: carbon fiber decor, wheels, 22-inch, ultra-high fidelity sound, autopilot convenience features, sub-zero weather package, premium upgrades package, high amperage charger upgrade, 6-seat interior and titanium metallic. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.